Understanding crypto airdrops, how to avoid scams. Crypto airdrops can be a tempting way to receive free tokens and potentially increase your crypto wallet. However, it's important to understand the concept and be aware of the risks involved. This video will explain what crypto airdrops are, how they work, different types of airdrops, how to find them safely, and the pros and cons associated with participating in airdrops. What is a crypto airdrop? Definition: a crypto airdrop is when blockchain projects distribute free tokens or coins to their community or participants. Purpose: airdrops are used as a marketing strategy to generate excitement, attract new users, and reward loyal supporters. Benefits: users have the opportunity to receive free cryptocurrency tokens or NFTs that may increase in value over time. How do crypto airdrops work? Blockchain projects or platforms set specific criteria for participants to meet in order to qualify for free crypto assets. Snapshot: a snapshot of the blockchain is taken at a particular time, capturing eligible wallets. Distribution: using blockchain technology and smart contracts, digital currencies are easily distributed to participants' wallets. Different types of airdrops. Bounty airdrops: participants complete tasks like sharing on social media or providing liquidity for a chance to earn tokens. Holder airdrops: holding a specific NFT or a certain amount of a project's cryptocurrency results in receiving additional digital assets. Exclusive airdrops: reserved for specific groups such as ICO participants, crypto whales, or influencers as a reward. How to find crypto airdrops safely. Reliable sources: stick to reputable sites like CoinMarketCap to learn about upcoming airdrops. Beware of scams. Exercise caution and avoid airdrops promising well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, as these are likely scams. The dark side of crypto airdrops. Scam risks: scammers create fake websites, impersonate trusted platforms, and ask for private keys or seed phrases to steal funds. Private key scam: scammers trick users into revealing their private keys, resulting in full control of their wallets and loss of assets. Advance fee scam: scammers request users to send cryptocurrency as a prerequisite for the airdrop, which is a clear red flag. How to claim airdrops safely. Protect your keys. Legitimate projects will never ask for your private keys or seed phrases. Conduct research. Verify the authenticity of the airdrop and the project behind it by checking official sources. Avoid sending funds. Airdrops that require you to transfer crypto assets beforehand are likely scams. Use dedicated accounts, create separate wallets, email addresses, and social media accounts for airdrops to limit potential risks. Be cautious with file downloads. Only download files from official sources to prevent compromising your wallet's security. Trust your instincts. If something feels suspicious or too good to be true, it's best to err on the side of caution. Pros and cons of crypto airdrops. Pros: free tokens. Airdrops provide an opportunity to receive free crypto assets. Exposure to new projects. Airdrops introduce users to new blockchain projects they may not have discovered otherwise. Potential for profit. If a project succeeds, the tokens received through airdrops could increase in value. Cons. Scams. Airdrops carry the risk of falling victim to scams and losing all your crypto assets. Privacy concerns. Some airdrops require sharing personal information, which can compromise your privacy. Tax implications. Airdrop tokens may be subject to tax in certain jurisdictions as they are considered income. Conclusion. While crypto airdrops can be a rewarding experience, it is crucial to approach them with caution. By understanding the concept, researching projects, and following safety measures, users can navigate the world of airdrops and reduce the risks associated with scams. Remember to prioritize security, trust reputable sources, and always trust your instincts when participating in airdrops.